Hello, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video I want to show you how to set up the Chase the Light theme on this device. So you want to go to Settings and now select section Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style. Now we want to select All Flux themes, and here finally find Chase the Light theme. Here it is. Let's tap one of the options, this one for example, and additionally you can do some customization if you want, if you need that. So you can change your clock, you can change this widget, and when you're done you have to tap apply button in the top right corner of the screen to finally set this Chase the Light theme as your lock screen and also as a home screen. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.